There are 9 worlds in Norse mythology. These worlds are called Niflheim, Muspelheim, Asgard, Midgard, Jotunheim, Vanaheim, Alfheim, Svartalheim, and Helheim. These 9 worlds are held in the branches and roots of the world tree Yggdrasil. These realms are the home of different kinds of beings, like the home of gods and goddesses or giants. Niflheim means mist home or mist world. It is the darkest and coldest region in the world according to Norse mythology. Niflheim is the first of the 9 worlds, and Niflheim is placed in the northern region of Ginnungagap. The eldest of the 3 wells are located in Niflheim, which is called Vagelmir. It means bubbling, boiling spring, and it is protected by the huge dragon called Nidhogger. It is said that all the cold rivers come from this well called Vagelmir, and it is said to be the source of the 11 rivers. The well Vagelmir is the origin of all living, and the place where every living being will go back. Elivagar, which means ice waves, are the rivers which existed in Niflheim at the beginning of the world. There were the streams floating out of Vagelmir and down the mountains to the plains of Ginnungagap, where it solidified to frost and ice, which gradually formed a very dense layer. This is the reason that they are so very cold in the northern plains. As the world tree started to grow, it stretched one of its 3 large roots far into Niflheim and drew water from the spring Vagelmir. Muspelheim, the land of fire, was created far to the south of the world. It is a hot place, filled with lava, flames, sparks and sod. Muspelheim is the land of the fire giants and fire demons. It is ruled by the giant Surtur. He is a sworn enemy of the Aesir. He will ride out with his flaming sword in his hand at Ragnarok, the end of the world. Surtur will then attack Asgard, the home of the gods, and turn it into a flaming inferno. In the middle of the world, high up in the sky, is Asgard. It is the home of the gods and goddesses. Odin is the ruler of Asgard and the chief of the Aesir. Odin is married to Frigg, and she is the queen of Asgard. Inside Asgard is Valhalla. It is where half of the Vikings went. That was chosen by the Valkyries. The other half went to Folkvanger. Midgard, which means Middle Earth, is, funny enough, located in the middle of the earth. Midgard and Asgard is connected by Bifrost, the rainbow bridge. Midgard, which is the home of the humans, is surrounded by a big impassable ocean. In this ocean lives the Midgard serpent. The Midgard serpent is so huge that it encircles the whole world, and it's able to bite its own tail. Jotunheim is the home of the giants. They are the sworn enemy of the Aesir. Jotunheim consists mostly of rocks, wilderness, and dense forests. Because there is no fertile land in Jotunheim, the giants they live mostly from the fish from the rivers and the animals from the forest. The giants and the Aesir are constantly fighting, but it also happens from time to time that love affairs occur. Odin, Thor, and a few others had lovers who were all giantess. Loki, who is also from Jotunheim, is the only giant who is allowed to live among the Aesir in Asgard. Jotunheim is separated from Asgard by the river Elving, which never freezes over. In Jotunheim there is a stronghold called Utgård. It is so tall that it's hard to see the top of it, and it's here the feared Utgard-Loki lives. Vanaheim is the home of the Vanir. The Vanir is an old branch of gods. The Vanir are the masters of sorcery and magic. They are also widely acknowledged for their talent to predict the future. Nobody knows exactly where the land is, or even how it looks like. When the war between the Aesir and the Vanir ended, 3 of the Vanir came to live among the Aesir in Asgard as a part of a peace treaty. These 3 gods were Enyor, Freya, and Freyr. Alfheim is the home of the Light Elves. It is right next to Asgard. The Light Elves are beautiful creatures. They are considered the guardian angels. The god Freyr is the ruler of Alfheim. The Light Elves are minor gods of nature and fertility. They can help or hinder humans with the knowledge of magical powers. Svartalheim is the home of the dwarves. They live under the rocks, in caves under the ground, and in the mountains. Heimar was the king of Svartalheim. The dwarves are the masters of craftsmanship. They have created some of the most beautiful and powerful weapons for the gods in Asgard, like Thor's hammer or Odin's magical ring, Draupnir. Helheim is where all the dishonorable dead, thieves, murders, and all those the gods and goddesses did not feel were brave enough to go to Valhalla or Folkvanger. Helheim is ruled by the evil goddess Hel. Helheim is a very grim and cold place, and any person who arrives here will never feel joy or happiness again. The goddess Hel will use all the dead in her realm to attack the gods and goddesses at Ragnarok, which will lead to the end of the world. Thank you for watching.